Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've actually already started filming because I've already started making the items that I wanted to do, but I thought it would be just nice to take you along and show you how I am going to be making my Mother's Day pouches. I have a whole bunch that's going out to church that I'm making as gifts. So I made a sample. I already made the tags because I'm not going to actually put my own branding onto the ones that are going for church. I'm going to be making tags. Well, I've made tags already. Let me just show it to you. So I made these tags, and as you can see, they have the church name. They don't have my personal tags that I make. And then on the front of these zipper pouches, I'm going to be putting a verse that says, "We love because he first loved us." So I think that's gonna be cute. I wanted to actually put the logo on the pouches, but I thought I would just do something a little bit different, but I wanted to have the name of the church, so that's how I thought about the tags. I just need to actually put the pouches together. I've already done most of the prep work, but I am going to show you the processes of it, starting from after I cut out all the fabric ready for that. So I'm gonna insert that there, and then you're gonna catch up with what I'm doing now. So because I was actually sewing these pouches like multiple times, not multiple times, what's the word? Like were you doing a whole lot? I don't think of the word. It's a Sunday. I'm forgiven. Yeah, but I basically sewed like not completing one pouch, but like doing the same step on multiple at a time. So like when I put the zipper in, I put the zipper in for all of them. And so they basically all incomplete, but they're at the same stage. I don't know why I can't think of the word. So I'm just going to separate them now, and then I'm going to start cutting the tags like so they're individual. And then I'm thinking I will just like complete each bag, or I don't know whether I should just sew the outsides with the tags in and then do that inner seam all in one go. And then all that's left after I actually put these bags together is to put in the printing. And then I want to think about packaging. So let me show you how the actual bag is going to look, because I did do a sample. Okay, this is how the actual bag is going to look, and here is the tag. So oh man, it's mirrored. It's not gonna show right. Okay, well in the end I'll show you how it looks. So they all are a little bit different. So I was thinking either I could just like make tags. I don't know if I want to put my business name on the actual tags or just be like Happy Mother's Day from the church. Or I could put them like in a little pouch and put a sticker, but then I want to avoid plastic and I don't want them to be covered up. I want them to actually be seen. Yeah, so that's to be confirmed. So this is how I'm just cutting the tags. Oh, you can't even see this properly. Sorry. they are all finally done for the first batch. So these are the ones that aren't going to be in my store, but they're going out as gifts for church for Mother's Day. So these aren't going to be in the shop, and I am going to want to make a whole lot more that I am going to put on the shop for Mother's Day, but I am really pressed for time, so we'll see how that goes. And if I do decide to do that, I definitely won't be vlogging it because obviously I'm just going to have to get it done really fast. I also have some dog bears and these dog jerseys that I need to sew up. I wasn't happy with the neckband. It wasn't stretchy enough. See, it doesn't give it that nice look. So I want to sort these out, and the others I just haven't done. I want to cut up more, and then also I have like a whole lot of the dog beds to get done. So I'm going to be working on that, and then I'm gonna package these, and I don't think I'm gonna show that to you. And put in the stickers. So if I don't show it to you, the pictures will be on Instagram of the final thing. All packaged. I haven't designed the sticker as yet, but I'm gonna do that on another day. I have time to get this done. Then I'm just gonna put that on the back of each of them, and then this is all done.